hour shifting to the north 5 to 10 miles an hour after midnight. Friday, sunny. High. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, until 6 a.m. At 5:10 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Winslow, or 12 miles southwest of Monroe, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Monroe, Brodhead, Albany, South Wayne, Browntown, Gratiot, Judah, Woodford, and Jordan Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is